Besides using PDF file opening applications like Foxit Reader, Adobe Reader, Nitro, and others, we can also open PDF files using the Microsoft Edge browser. Have you ever opened a PDF file using Microsoft Edge? Printing a 2-page PDF file on one sheet in Microsoft Edge is very easy. Watch this tutorial to learn how. Before that, subscribe to this channel to get notifications of new videos from us, and also click the like button if you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you. First, open the PDF file using Microsoft Edge, then go to Print View. Then, scroll down to the Settings section on the left until you see the bottom, then select More Settings. Then, scroll down again until you find Pages per Sheet, click Pages per Sheet, and select 2. You can see the print result in the preview next to it. After that, click Print to proceed to the printing process. So, it was easy, wasn't it? We hope this tutorial is helpful. See you in the next video.